Hello, my name is Bhargavi Dave, and in this video I am going to tell you about Celeron processor. So, what is Celeron processor? An overview of the Celeron. Celeron is the low-end member of the family of microprocessor from Intel, and it is based on its basic architecture. Basic architecture performs primary interface from administering and managing all the projects, and although it is based on the same architecture as the Pentium 2. It lacks some high performance feature of the Pentium 2 line, and it is introduced in 1999 in Celeron equipped with MMX and newer version with SSE. Originally it is based on the Pentium 2, and the current version of Celeron is used core similar to the Pentium 3. Celeron processor generation. Celeron processor has three generations: original Celeron, later Celeron, and current Celeron. Original Celeron are slower than other chips of that time, and Celeron has no L2 cache. L2 cache is connected to L1 cache, and L1 cache is connected to the core of CPU. But in original Celeron there is a no L2 cache and lack of caching. Caching means the ability to store the temporary data. It is lack in original Celeron and easily overclock. Original Celeron is inexpensive, and later Celeron is moved to the socket 370. It is based on Mendocino core, SSC instruction set, and half the L2 cache as the P3. Current Celeron is based on the Coppermine core, and now move to the features of Celeron processor. So first, Celeron has 10 stage pipeline. Pipeline has two stage and input and output end. Into the two end there are multiple instructions performed. Pipeline performing multitasking. Multitasking means at a one time how many instructions are performed. It called the multitasking. Uh, Celeron has 10 stage pipeline means at a time Celeron perform 10 instructions. It is a good, and Celeron has X86 decoder, and it has MMX instruction set, and it is streaming with SIMD extensions. Celeron has 36-bit address space and 64 GB addressable memory. Disadvantage of Celeron processor. A Celeron processor usually has two cores and two threads, meaning it has a lots of limitation. And Celeron also made much bigger than i3s, and Celeron has less cache of memory, and it has a lower clock speed. Means clock speed means in a second how many instructions perform. It's called clock speed, and its speed clock speed is low, and though it is cheaper. That's why Celeron is not good for gaming, graphics, and all those things. Now, Celeron processor example. So, old Celeron 66 MHz FSB. Example is 500, 533, 566, 600, 633, 667, 700, 733, 766 MHz. And 800, 850, 900, 950 MHz, and 1.0, 1.10, 1.20, 1.30 gigahertz. And now move to the Celeron move to the 133 megahertz FSB. The OS compatibility of microprocessor Celeron. It has all Windows compatibility including MS-DOS, most of the Linux, SCO Unix, Unixware, Sun Solaris, OS by 2, and OpenStep. This is the all listed of OS compatibility performed by Celeron. This is all about Celeron processor. Thank you.